Hi legends, it looks like Bitcoin is losing a little bit of momentum over here and I see a little bit of bearish signs. So is there a correction incoming? Today we'll analyze the price of Bitcoin and identify those key bouncing areas, and is it perhaps time to take some shorts here to the downside? Also remember my favorite trading exchange that I currently use as Bluffin, link here down in the description. First link under exchanges is where you get an $80,000 bonus when you use this link to sign up. Also no KYC required. All you need is an email and a password and you can start trading in minutes. Go sign up, come trade with me. Legends, let's go analyze the price of Bitcoin together. Looking at the price of Bitcoin over here, you can see that I've adjusted my momentum trend line. Beautiful touch, another touch, and currently we struggled to break through over here. So, and now we're finding some downwards momentum, and I've also been tracking this momentum here to the upside to say that if we had to have a successful breakout over here, as long as we keep the momentum here to the upside, okay, we can ride this wave here to the upside to potentially go and claim that resistance box here at the top. But now we've lost this momentum, and this could signal more momentum here to the downside. What do I mean by that, legends, is that the one thing that's concerning about the structure here for me at the moment, on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that I often speak about the range high and the range low strategy. You can see with this pump here to the upside, we went up, we came back down, and we made what I call the range low. Okay, and then we went and we tapped it for the first time. And often I speak about this during my live streams as well, as what you want to see is once you've tapped this line, you want price action to move away and not come back and potentially continue the momentum here to the upside. But then we came back down, we tapped it for a second time, a third time, a fourth time, which now increases the probabilities. If we come back down here and we fail to make a higher low in this zone and we tap this level again, we are going to come and fill the inefficiency over here. What I'm looking at over here is to say that, legends, I do see a little bit of bearish signs over here. Okay, we have lost this momentum that I'm tracking here on the 15-minute time frame. We have tapped the range low multiple times already, which increases the probabilities of coming to fill this entire inefficiency over here. The key level that I'm watching from a support perspective is, let me take the scribble out, go back onto the 1 hour time frame, and this is the key level that I'm watching for a bounce here, potential bounce here to the upside. Okay, what we would like to see is that we want to see a consolidation area the same length of this consolidation area. Okay, so if this consolidation can last a little bit longer, it then gives me a clue that this is potentially a 1, 2, 3, and now we're creating the fourth wave over here for potential bounce to go and create the final fifth wave to the upside. But I want to see a 5-wave structure, okay, to confirm bullish momentum back to the upside. So that key level that I'm watching, legends, is if I take a fib here from the start of this impulse here to the upside to the top that we've made over here, okay, I want to see us find support here by the 0.382 and also these lows. Okay, I would love a swing failure from these lows over here. So if we do find continuation here to the downside, we tap those range lows that I've said, it increases probabilities to come and fill the inefficiency. And then when I look at liquidity, there is massive liquidity lying here at the bottom. When I go to the liquidity heat map, you can see below that low at the 382 that I've just identified at $62,000, 200 give or take, we do have massive liquidity up for grabs. So perhaps we're coming down, we grab the liquidity where we could potentially expect a bounce back to the upside. Let's jump back here on the price of Bitcoin. And here you can see on the price of Bitcoin, $62,000, 200 give or take, okay, around about this area is where that beautiful liquidity is. So if we do lose, okay, this important support area over here, we break down, we retest it as resistance, we could find ourselves here grabbing that liquidity at $62,000, 200 give or take. Okay, I really want to see this area here hold as support for potential bounce back to the upside, whether it happens at the 382 and or at this consolidation area at the 50% fib level for potential a bounce, maybe a rejection and another bounce here to the upside to go and claim the highs once again. I will also be tracking this momentum. Okay, if you're not sure what to do in this area, I'll simply be tracking the momentum here to the downside and wait for a successful breakout with high time frame candle body closes outside of the trend. Also, legends, I want to quickly take you through an altcoin that I'm keeping an eye on, maybe a forgotten altcoin, Zilliqa, which I've also spoken about during my live stream yesterday. as you can see, what I do like about Zilliqa over here is that we have a swing failure pattern from the bear market lows. The bear market lows that we made here on 10 September 2023. We have swept the bear market lows, nice liquidity grab, and currently we are trading above the bear market lows. So for bullish momentum to continue for Zilliqa here to the upside, you want to see us hold this level and not lose this low again. So perhaps a retest of the value area low inside of this entire range. And I want to see a higher low created over here, and then I want to see us get acceptance back inside this range, which will then increase the probabilities that there's a chance that we can even come and claim the top of the range at 0.3391 cents. Thank you so much for watching. Go and smash up the like button if you enjoy the alpha over here. Also subscribe for future notifications. Legends, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.